welcome my dear students to our class on problems on cardinal number. Okay, previously we have discussed Venn diagram problems and some basic problems on cardinal numbers. This class will tell you about different kinds of problems on cardinal numbers, right? On part of this this first problem what we have is among 150 students it was found that 50 students studied mathematics, 50 students studied physics, 50 studied chemistry, 10 studied all the three subjects, right? 34 studied physics and mathematics, 22 studied chemistry and maths, 20 studied physics and chemistry. Now we need to find a number of students who are studying only maths. Like that many things are given. Like see, first of all, how we will do this particular problem, my dear students. You have here like this. Okay, let us draw, because there are three subjects, maths, physics, chemistry. We will draw three sets like this. This is m, n of m is equal to, how many students are there actually? Okay, it was found that 50 students studied mathematics. Here this is 50 you have here like this, and 50 studied physics, n of p. This is also n of p, that is equal to 50, and this is n of c is equal to 50 like this. Okay, chemistry also 50. Now 10 studied all the three subjects. This is nothing but 10 who studied all the three subjects, and universal set is this. You see my dear students, let us write clearly n of mu, that is universal set. Totally how many students are there? 150 students are there here like this. That's very nice. And n of m is equal to 50. You have here n of p is equal to 50. You are having here like this, such a beautiful way, and n of c is equal to 50, right? Fine. Once these things, we have 10 studied all the three subjects. 10 means what we have here? All the three. That means m intersection p intersection c, all the three subjects. That is given by 10 like this, right? N of m intersection p intersection c is given by 10. Next we have that 34 studied physics and maths. Now n of m intersection p, physics and maths, or maths and physics, that is nothing but 34 we have here like this. Physics and maths. 22 studied chemistry and maths, and n of m intersection c, this is equal to 22. We have like this. Again 20 studied physics and chemistry. Now n of p intersection c, that is equal to, we have here 20 like this. This is what you have, 20. Okay, wonderful. These are the things we have here. Now you see my dear students how we are going to do this beautiful problem, right? Okay, fine. This is the information they have given regarding this problem. I have taken n of m as 50 here, n of p as 50, n of c as 50. All the three subjects is 10. And this is nothing but actually m intersection p nana here. This is what m intersection p, right? Okay, both who studied this, that is given by like that, of course, right? Here you see what I am going to do. They given that n of m intersection p is 34. Who studied both maths and physics is 34, means already 10 students are there, means this number will become now 24. Wonderful. See how we have got this is 24, because n of m intersection p is 34. Totally who studies both the subjects is 34, means already 10 students studies all the three subjects. Therefore this 10 plus 24, that will give you totally m intersection p who studies maths and physics will become 34. You will be getting like this, right? Next okay, n of m intersection c who studies maths and chemistry is 22. They given already 10 students are there. Therefore here you will have 12 students like this. Therefore you will have here 12 students like this, because my dear students, here already 10 students who will study all the three subjects. Totally m intersection c is 22, means this 10 plus 12, total this part is now 22, and this part is totally 34. Next p intersection c, there are 20 students who studies physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry, 20 students, this is 10, means this you will have 10 students like this, right my dear students? Okay, wonderfully we have got now this thing like, now you see my dear students, we have here who will study mathematics, okay, only. This part indicates who will study only mathematics. This part, this kidney, right? This indicates only who studies mathematics, 50. You see my dear student, actually 24 plus 10, 34, 34 plus 12. you have here, okay, 34 plus 12 become 46. Therefore 4 students will study only purely mathematics. They will not study other subjects. This information give you very nicely, like, right? Wonderful. And also physics, you see Nana, 24 plus 10, 34 plus 10, 44. Okay, 6 students will study only physics, because now if we add all these, 24 plus 6, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. Now you got total 50 who studies physics. That means, my dear students, he will, okay, this 6 indicates the students who will study only physics. This part indicates like this. See how easily by using Venn diagrams we are getting these problems. This is what, Nana, 6 students we will get that part like that. Okay, that's very nice of you. See, this is 6 actually, right? This is what 6. We have here, this is what 6. Wonderful. Now chemistry 50. That means 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 10, 32. 32 means 50 minus 32. This is now 18 students will study. 18 students will study purely chemistry. They will study purely chemistry like this, right? This is the information we have got. Once we have got the information like this, we can answer anything, my dear students, from this problem. Now the first question they are asking is here. Okay, the first question what they are asking here is, right, in this A part, A or first question, find the number of students who are studying only maths. See, beautifully we have got only maths is what, 4 students. Now number of students studying only maths. This actually we can subtract from this. Actually we can subtract how can we do? Studying only maths is nothing but okay, this is nothing but how you will be getting n of m minus n of, right? How we are going to get this who will studying only maths? You see, my dear students, how we will be getting this is like n of, I will subtract. What I will subtract? Right, this portion and also this portion I will be subtracting like this. That means n of m intersection p, right, plus n of this portion. How I am going to get this portion? How I am going to get? That's what now my problem, right? How I will write that is nothing but I will just write that is nothing but actually this is m intersection c minus n of m intersection p intersection c. From this total, my dear students, I have subtracted this, then I will get this part, right? This is what this total thing what we have got is now n of m is what, 50 minus I have subtracted this n of m intersection p. M intersection p means this 24 plus 10, that is nothing but 34, right, plus n of m intersection c. M intersection c is nothing but what, Nana? This is what, 12 plus 10, 22 minus we have subtracted m intersection p intersection c, that is 10 like this. If you do, otherwise from Venn diagram you will get directly, no need to write these steps also. For your understanding purpose I am writing everything like this. Now this becomes, you see, my dear student, 50 minus of here you have 22 minus 10, that is 12, that is nothing but 34 plus 12, that is 46. That is now 50 minus 46, you have got 4. Very nicely you have got number of students studying only maths. From actually this diagram we can get directly, but for your understanding purpose you want to get steps. For steps purpose I am writing, otherwise you can directly do from Venn diagram. That is what first one. The next one what you have here, find the number of students who are studying only one of the subject. Number of students study, you see, number of students study only one subject. That is very simple, my dear students. Number of students who study only one subject, only maths 4, only physics 6, only chemistry 18. Therefore you are going to have, you see, my dear students, here I will write here only maths is 4, only physics is 6, only chemistry is 18 like this. right? 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 18 is what? 28 you have here like this, right? Such a beautiful way. Here I will write because there is space. I will write this is what 28 we have here. That's the way how you can answer. Number of students study only one subject is 28 like this. By this problem we can answer many problems like this. Now C part. Number of students study only one subject means, my dear students, only maths, only physics, only chemistry. See, only maths is this, only physics is this, only chemistry, like this. 4 plus 6 plus 18 you have got 28. In that beautiful way we have got to find next. Now the third one, find the number of students who are study exactly two of the subjects. Number of students, you see my dear students here, number of students who study, okay, study exactly two of the subjects. Exactly two of the subjects means, my dear students, this 24, this portion indicates exactly two, right? That means we'll write 24 plus, okay, this portion also will indicate that exactly 2, that is 12, plus this portion also, this they will study exactly two subjects, plus 10 like this. 24 plus 12, 36, 36 plus 10, that is now 46. Such a beautiful way we have got this the third part also, right, my dear students? Now let us do the fourth part in this, of course. Now we will do the fourth part. You see how we are going to do the fourth part is find the number of students who study at least one of the subject. At least one of the subject. Number of students study, you see my dear students, number of students study at least one of the subject, right? That means actually this is, they are asking, right, what they are asking is n of A union B union C. That means, you see my dear students, n of A union B union C. The A union B union C means what? N of M union P union C, right? That means, okay, this is the actual meaning of M union P union C. That means exactly one of the subject means we need to add all these things. That is what they are asking. At least one means one subject, two subjects, three subjects. Okay, that is the meaning of N of M union P union C. Otherwise we can directly see here, we can add these 4. This is totally how much you have here? This totally 50. Okay, this is 50. 50 plus 6, 56 plus 10. Okay, 66. 66 plus 18. Okay, 66 plus 18. 8 plus 6, 14. 84. Totally 84 students will study exactly one of the subject. This is what the answer. But by the formula, you need steps. How we are going to do that with the use of the steps, my dear students? You see, this is equal to, you know the formula, n of m plus n of p plus n of c minus n of m intersection p minus n of p intersection c minus n of, right, m intersection c plus n of m intersection p intersection c. If you do also, you will get the same answer, 84. You see, that is n of m is 50, this is 50 plus this is 50 you have here, like this, minus n of m intersection p. M intersection p they have given how much, my dear students? Here 34, minus 34 here, minus m intersection, okay, one is p and another one is 22 you have here, okay, another one you have 20, right, plus n of m intersection p intersection c is 10 you have here like this. Now this is 150 plus 10, 160 minus 34 minus 22. So this is, you add negative values, you add 34, 22 become 46. 46 plus 20, that become 46 plus 20 how much? 66, right? You have here, you just see, my dear students, what you are going to get, you just add here. This is actually, we have got what? 24 plus 10, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 50, 50, 56, 56, this is 66, 66 plus 18. Now we have here, this is nothing but 76. This 76, this you will be getting as 84. Such a beautiful way. In the same way, you have got this problem. 84 students will study at least one of the subject. At least one of the subject means, my dear students, one subject or two subjects or three subjects. That will be covered by N of M union P union C. That means union means, already I told you that either maths or physics or chemistry, or maths and physics, or physics and chemistry, or maths, physics and chemistry, or maths and like that, and three subjects, maths and physics and chemistry. Those things will be answered like this, right? Now see, my dear students, none of the students who study, number of students who study none of the subjects, that is what fifth part. Like the students who study no subject, my dear students, the students who study no subject, that means we can easily do that. This is from N of mu minus N of M union P union C. Okay, already we got that by fourth one. Number of students who study, right? Number of students who study at least one of the subject, either maths or physics or chemistry, or two of them or three of them. Total we have got what the number we have got now, only we have got as 84. Now this is N of U means 150. 150 minus 84. This will give you the students who study none of the subjects, nothing they will study. Okay, that's what 150 minus 84. Let us calculate that, what we are going to have. Okay, 10 minus 4, 6, 14 minus 66 students. Okay, they will not study, therefore they are outside of it. See, the 66 I have written outside of these things. These students will not study any of the subjects. Totally, N of mu you have here, N of mu is equal to 150 you have here. Among that, at least one of the subject means they are present within these three circles, and nothing, no subject, a number of students study none of the subject means 66, that we are having outside. Like this beautiful problem we can understand. But if you understand this problem, you can understand any problem, and you can able to do any type of problem from this cardinal number of concept, right? Fine. Now see, my dear students, we have another problem here. I am giving different problems such that you will have good clarity on these. The second problem is, in an examination 43% of students failed in English, 40% failed in maths. If 18% failed in both, then find the percentage of pass. Very nice problem. You see, my dear students, how we are going to do this particular problem, right? We have here, okay, what we have here is 43% students failed in English, right? This is one is English like this, and another one is in mathematics like this, E, and this is what, maths, N of E. Okay, the number of students failed. Okay, this is E, and you know that N of M, that they given that N of E. However, 43% like this. N of M is equal to, they have given, my dear students, N of M as 40% they have given like this, right? Wonderful. And both failed, in 18% failed like this. This is what, 18%. Now U, okay, the total thing is nothing but this is what, okay, number of students. Now let us write here nicely, number of students failed in English, that is equal to 43%. Number of students, percentage of number of, okay, otherwise we write the step here as a percentage of students, that will carry more meaning for that. You see here, percentage of students. Okay, next, percentage of students failed in maths, that it gives you 40%. Now the percentage of students failed in both, that gives you 18%. Wonderful. Now I want N of E union M. The percentage we are going to get who failed in either English or maths, one subject or both subjects I am going to get. Now this is equal to, my dear students, you know that N of E. This is actually N of E now here. This is N of E, and this is of course N of M. This is what N of M you have here. This is N of E intersection M you are going to have like this. Now this is equal to, you know the formula, N of E plus N of M minus N of E intersection M like this, right? Now this, okay, how we are going to do this problem? N of G, you know that 43% plus N of M equal to how much? 40% minus 18%. Now 43 plus 40, 83. 83 minus 18. 13 minus 8, 5, 7 minus 1, 6. 65% you have got, my dear students. Okay, this 65% indicates that the number of students they have failed either in English or maths or both the subjects. That is what the meaning of E union M. They may fail either in English or maths or both. Therefore, the total number of student pass percentage, okay, the pass percentage of pass, percentage of pass, this is equal to the total percentage, you know, my dear students, 100%. 100%, total failure percentage is 65%. That means 100 minus 65, you will get 35% as the answer. Pass percentage. Percentage of pass is nothing but 35%. This is the answer we are going to get. In such a beautiful way, we will be getting this particular problem. Right, my dear students, percentage of pass is nothing but 100% minus 65%, that equal to 35% is what our pass percentage. See how beautifully this problem was done, because the total percentage of students is 100% always. From that, failure percentage is what, Nana? 65. 100 minus 65, 35 becomes from total failure students. If you remove, you are going to get pass students, right? Now see this third problem, very basic problem. If A equal to 1 comma 2, then find power set of A. You know that I told that power set of A is nothing but set of all possible subsets of the given set. Set of all possible subsets of the given set. That nothing but pi singleton set 1 you will have, singleton set 2 you will have, okay, then the set itself. Okay, that is A 1 comma 2. This is what power set of A, because some students want clarity, that's why I am explaining this one. It's a very simple that these are all the possible subsets of the given set, Nana. That is what you mean by P of A. P of A means the power set of A, okay, which has all possible subsets of the given set. Pi and 1, this is 2, 1 comma 2, right? Okay, Nana, and you know that, of course, one more thing here, N of A. How many elements are there? 2 elements are there in this. Now N of P of A, that is nothing but you have here 2 power N of A. That means 2 square like this. That is 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements you have got like this, right? So now see this another beautiful problem. Some students will confuse. That's why I have taken this problem for explanation. Here set A equal to 1 and another set itself has an element in this particular set. Therefore here number of elements in A is nothing but some students will confuse that as 3, but it is actually 2 only, because this itself is one element of that set. That's why you will have 2, okay, this is one element, this is another element. Number of subsets of A. Now number of subsets, that means we need N of P of A, that is nothing but 2 power N of A. 2 power N of A means 2 square, that means 4. Number of subsets in A is nothing but 4. That is what you have. What are those now? P of A means, now you see I told you that pi, empty set is subset of every set, and A, every set is subset of itself. That means this you will get, and a singleton set 1 you will have, and this element itself 2 comma 3 you are having here, that itself you will have as another another subset. That I am going to include like this, okay, because this is an element, I have to include one more flower bracket, then only that become a set, right? Fine here, wonderful. Now you have got 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Therefore the number of subsets of A are nothing but 4, right? Now see my dear students, another interesting problem. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then they are asking, we are having nearly 6 subparts in this. The first subpart is how many subsets are there for A? Okay, how many subsets? How many subsets are there for A? This is what the first problem. How you are going to get how many subsets are there for A means, now only we have discussed that N of A equal to 7. Now n of p of a is equal to 2 power n of a, like this. This is now 2 power, okay, n of a is 7, therefore 2 power 7, 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64, and 128 subsets are there for a. This is what the first subpart you have here, like this. Now the second subpart, what they are asking is, how many proper subsets are there for a? How many proper subsets? How many proper subsets are there for a, like this? How many proper subsets are there for a means, I already told you, my dear student, that is equal to 2 power n of a minus 1, that is nothing but, that means 2 power 7 minus 1, that is now 128 minus 1, that equal to 127. The number of proper subsets okay, is equal to 2 power n of a minus 1, because we are going to take out that set itself. That set itself is not a proper subset. Okay, that's why we are taking out. Then we will have 2 power 7 minus 1, that is 128 minus 1, that is equal to 127, right? Now see, my dear student, the third subpart, how many subsets are there which do not contain 3 and 7? Okay, we need all the subsets which should not contain 3 and 7. Then what you do is, you take out 3 and 7, you take out, okay, then we have only the elements 1, 2, okay, 4, 5, 6, okay, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, like these are 5 elements. With this, now the subsets, how many subsets you will have here? Now let us take this as b. Now the number of subsets is nothing but 2 power n of b, like this. That means 2 power 5, right? See how many subsets are there which do not contain 3 and 7, means you take out 3 and 7. You just remove 3 and 7, and with the remaining elements you form the subsets. That become 2 power n of b, that become 2 power 5. You will have like this. Therefore, this is what 32, okay, is the answer for this, right? The next one what we have here is, my dear students, next we have interesting subpart, that is what the fourth one, right? What is that we have here is, my dear students, how many subsets are there which contain 3 but not 4? Now we need the subsets which contain 3 but not 4. That means it should have 3, but it should not have 4. I am going to take, see all the subsets, 3 is fixed, all the subsets for that, 3 is fixed, 3 will be compulsory, will be there. That means, and remaining elements what, 1, 2, 3 already fixed, no need to consider. 4 should not be there. 4 should not be there means, we have here 5, 6, 7. That's what. That means with these 5 elements we have to make subsets. Okay, with these 5 elements we have to make subsets, because 3 will be already fixed and 4 we have removed. Therefore, these will be is nothing but 2 power 5 only, like this. That is nothing but 32, because 3 will be fixed in that. Okay, how it will be? 3 will be fixed its place. Remaining all you will be having. Remaining what elements you have to take? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. You should not take 4, because we need the subsets which contain 3 but not 4. That means you don't take 4, 3 will be fixed, this will be fixed, this need not be counted. Okay, that means the sets what we are going to have is, this is once 3 is fixed, all the possible subsets with these 5 elements, that with 3 will give you the answer. That means is nothing but 2 power 5 different subsets you will have. With that 3 will be combined, 3 will be fixed, but that should not be considered. Therefore 32 is the answer. I will show you some of them is, since 3 is fixed, 3 comma 1, right, this one, 3 comma 2, like this, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7, 3 comma 2 comma 5, like this, 3, okay, 2, 6, so on, like this. The last one will be 3, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. This is the last subset. Like this, totally we have 32 subsets, right, my dear students? It's a wonderful concept. Now see another interesting subpart, my dear students. How many subsets are there which contain 3 and 7? Now 3, 7 are fixed like this. This is now fixed. For every subset you should have 3, 7 are fixed. Now remaining elements 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. With these 5 elements you make different subsets. With that this you attach. With this you attach 3, 7 because that should contain 3 and 7. Therefore, the total possible subsets with these 5 elements are nothing but 2 power 5. That is nothing but 32 is the answer, right? Because you form all different types of possible subsets with this, my dear students, with these 5 elements. And you attach 3, 7 to that. Therefore, actually the total different possible subsets are these. Okay, because you are just attaching 3, 7 with these 5. Therefore, 2 power 5, that means 32. You have here 32 different subsets which contain 3 and 7. Like this, we will do this beautiful problem. Right? And the elements will be 3, 7 will be fixed. This you will be having here 1 like this, 3, 7 is fixed. 2 you will be having like this, 3, 7 you are having here, 5 you will be having here like this, so on. The last element of this is nothing but 3, 7 you will have as a fixed one, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 like this. You will have totally 32 possible subsets with these elements. For that you are attaching 3, 7. Right, my dear students? In this way this beautiful problem can be answered. Now we have one more very important and fascinating subpart. How many subsets are there which contain 2, 3 but not 5? Right, my dear students? You see, I need now my subsets which should contain 2, 3. That means 2, 3 is fixed, right? But should not contain 5. Okay? Okay, 5 you remove it. You remove 5. Then what are the remaining elements? You have 1, 4, 6, 7. That's all. See the number. Okay, now this is fixed. Okay, with these elements you form all the different possible subsets. Those are nothing but 2 power 4. For that you just attach 2, 3. Then those all subsets will contain 2, 3, but those will not contain 5. Right? Then the statement is answered and the answer is 2 power 4. That means there are 16 possible subsets which contain 2, 3 but not 5. I am repeating, with these if you form all different possible subsets means, my dear students, okay, 2 power 4 will be formed. For that everything you attach 2, 3 and you remove 5. Okay, then you have only these 4 are there, you are attaching 2, 3. That means I will show you 2, 3 is 1. Okay, this is 1. Already I am attaching 1. This is one subset. Next 2, 3 is there. Okay, with 4. This is one subset. Next 2, 3 is there. With this I am attaching 6. Like this, so on. 2, 3 you have here, you attached this. Next the last one will be 1, 4, 6, 7. Like this, totally you will have 16 possible subsets which will satisfy this condition, my dear students. Right? Like this, all these 6 subparts very nicely can be answered. Right? Now see, my dear students, this particular problem, okay, very simple and basic problem. This, if the power set of a set has 256 elements, find the number of elements in that set. Now A is that particular set. A is the set what we are having here. Now n of p of A, okay, the power set of A is having 256 elements. This is equal to 2 power n of A, right? This is equal to already 2 power n of A. 256 you can write as 2 power. How? 2 power 5 is 32, 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 7 is 128, 2 power 8 is 256. Now 2 power n of A equal to 2 power 8. From that you have n of A is equal to 8. You see, my dear students, in this beautiful way we will be getting these problems. Right? Fine. Now see, my dear students, this particular problem is a very simple and basic problem because some students have doubt. That's why I have given that. They given n of A intersection B complement. You know that I already proved in the class, in Venn diagrams class, A intersection B complement is nothing but A minus B, and B intersection A complement is nothing but B minus A. We have like this, right, my dear students? That means indirectly what they have given the information is here like this. right? Wonderful. This is what A and B. Okay, they given n of A minus B. A minus B. This is equal to 5. They have given like this. And B intersection A complement. That is B minus A. That is equal to 6. They given. And n of A intersection B as what? 4. Now they are asking n of A union B. That n of A union B I have given you very nice formulas to you. This you can write even n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B plus n of B minus A. Like this we can answer, my dear students. N of A minus B is 5, A intersection B is 4, 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Such a beautiful way we will get this basic problem. Right? Very interesting. Now see, my dear students, we have one more problem. In a club of 100 members, 20 speak both English and Telugu. 30 speak English. 45 speak Telugu. How many do not speak either English or Telugu? Such a nice problem. Let us try to understand this problem. Okay, in a club of 100 members, right, my dear students, we will try to write the Venn diagram for this. You have a club of 100 members, that is U. N of U is equal to mu. Okay, N of mu means universal set, that equal to 100 members you are having here like this. 20 speak both English and Telugu, right? We have here English and Telugu like this. Right, this is E we have here, N of E, and this is N of T. 20 speak both like this. I am writing there. 20 speak both English and Telugu. 30 speak English. Okay, N of E equal to 30, and N of T. How many of them will speak Telugu? 45 speak Telugu like this. Wonderful. That means, my dear students, here they given N of E equal to 30, N of T equal to 45. Next, N of E intersection T, they have given it as 20. Wonderful. Now, how many do not speak either English or Telugu? Okay, that means we need N of E union T whole complement. Who do not speak either English or Telugu means, that is what? Who do not speak either English or Telugu means we want N of E union T whole complement. This is nothing but, my dear student, N of mu minus N of E union T. You know how to find, they given N of U, and you know how to find E union T. That means now E union T, this is equal to N of E plus N of T minus N of E intersection T, like this, right? N of E is equal to, actually, my dear student, 30 plus T is what? 45. N of E intersection T is 20. Now 45 minus 20, that is nothing but 30 plus 25, that is nothing but 55. Okay, now this you have got this. Therefore, number of students, that means we need N of E union T whole complement. As I told you, N of U equal to 100. 100 minus E union T, we have got 55. That will give you 45 students will not speak either English or Telugu. These 45 students will be outside like this. This is equal to N of E union T whole complement, outside of union T. Union T is this part. Outside means they will not speak either English or Telugu. In this beautiful way, we will be getting this particular problem, right? Next, we have another beautiful problem, my dear students. Out of 64 ladies, 48 read the magazine Femina and 32 read India Today. How many read only one magazine? Very nice problem. You see, my dear students, here let us take the Venn diagram such that we will understand very clearly. Out of 64 ladies, we have 48 read magazine Femina. Okay, this is what Femina, N of F. Okay, this is what you have here. And right, my dear students, Femina, how many students are reading? 32 they are reading here like this. Okay, totally N of F is equal to 32. There are students who read, okay, out of those ladies, Femina, magazine Femina. Next, India Today, N of I. India Today was read by 32 students like this, right? Okay, 48, I think this is now 48. This is 48, this is 32. This is also 48. This is the information they given here, of course. And N of I is equal to 32. Totally, how many are there? U, okay, N of U. How many ladies are there? The universal set having 64 ladies. Now they are asking how many read only one magazine. Wonderful. How many read only one magazine? That is what the problem. In this problem, my dear students, they given 64, that means they read either Femina or India Today. That means this is also equal to F union I, like this. This is also equal to F union I. That total, that means out of 64 ladies, they either read Femina or India Today. Okay, they did not give that the information. No lady will not read anything. That means our universal set now is equal to F union I. That means they may read either Femina or India Today. That is what the problem, my dear students. If they suppose otherwise they may have given that some ladies will not read either of Femina or India Today. But they have given, okay, clearly like this. Therefore, now very simple, we need to find, okay, what we need to find, how many read only one magazine. Okay, that means now let us see, my dear students, you know, N of F union I is equal to N of F plus N of I plus, okay, minus N of F intersection I, like this. N of F intersection I. F union I equal to, you have here 64, N of F is 48 plus 32 minus N of F intersection I, like this. Okay, 48 plus 32 you have here like this. This is 10, 80. You have here now 80. 64 is equal to 80 minus N of F intersection I, like this. From this, N of F intersection I is equal to, okay, you bring 80 minus 64. 80 minus 64. That is equal to, you will have, right, my dear students, 80 minus 64, how much you will get? Think 16, like 16. Okay, so now we have got who read both the magazines. F intersection I is nothing but 16. We have got, this is now 16, right. Now this is actually 48. 48 minus 16, that is nothing but what you are going to get, 2. Okay, 4 minus 1, 32. 32 only Femina. And this is 32 actually. 32 minus 16, 16 only India Today. From this diagram you can easily understand, this indicates that only Femina, only one magazine is Femina is 32. Only one magazine India Today is 16. Now they have asked us that how many read only one magazine. Number of ladies read only one magazine. Only one magazine, like this. This is nothing but this 32 plus 16, right? Because these people will read only Femina. These people will read only India Today. 32 plus 16, that nothing but what? 48. This is the beautiful answer you have got, my dear students. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe, please share and like it. Out of many efforts we are taking these classes, make use of it, my dear students. We are taking actually last time till night 12 o'clock we have taken the classes. And one more thing, please pay your fees, use the concession given by the management, pay the fees in time and support the management and teachers. Thank you very much, my dear students. All the best. Happy Dasara to you.